Hi, everyone. Welcome back to a new video of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your citizen banking application on your phone. Keep watching the video till the end. So, in order to download your citizen banking application, firstly, open up your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Citizen Bank and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Simply tap on the Install button and download the application. But, if the application is not available on Google Play in your region, open your APK or application. In the search box at the top, type in Citizens Bank and make a search. Click on the application and tap on the Install button at the bottom of the page to start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After downloading the application, tap on the Install button to start the installation process. Tap on the Open button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you'll be able to download your citizen banking application on your device quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.